The capability to measure and visualize grid forming capacity is a key foundation for breaking down the black box of verification capabilities. The moment grid frequency anomalies occur, Huawei's grid-forming PV and ESS solution enables immediate hierarchical linkage response. Base-level PCS devices deliver rapid frequency regulation within 5 milliseconds. Site-level SBPC detects changes in the grid connection point in real time and dispatch precise frequency regulation commands within 100 milliseconds, enabling closed-loop control to stabilize the grid. The SBMS displays grid status in real time, records grid response data accurately, and delivers in-depth analysis on performance contribution data. With one-click export of analysis reports, providing data support for plant grid-forming analysis. Grid-forming Panorama enables full situational awareness of grid status, visualizes grid-forming capabilities, quantifies grid-forming responses, and manages grid-forming performance.